Hello student, in previous lecture we have studied about the conversion of decimal number into binary, octal and hexadecimal numbers. Okay. Now in previous lecture as we have studied different example, in the similar way we are going to learn about the conversion of binary to different number system like binary to decimal conversion, octal binary to octal conversion and binary to hexadecimal conversion. Okay, now let us start with different examples. Hello student, before converting any binary number into its equivalent decimal, we have to remember that as the binary number system has base or radix 2, so we have to write in the conversion 2 raised to the positive power and 2 raised to the negative power. As we know that 2 raised to 0 is equal to 1, 2 raised to 1 is equal to 2, 2 raised to 2 means 2 2s are 4, 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. In this way, this power goes on increasing, that are positive powers. But what about this negative powers? 2 raised to minus 1 is equal to 1 upon 2. Okay, we can write 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 is equal to 0.5. Okay, all of you know that. What about 2 raised to minus 2? 2 raised to minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 2 raised to the power 2. And 2 raised to the power 2 is equal to 1 upon 4. And 1 upon 4 is equal to 0.25. In this way, we can write 2 raised to minus 3 is equal to 0.125. 2 raised to the power minus 4 is equal to 0.0625. Means 2 raised to the minus 4 is equal to 1 upon 2 raised to the 4. Okay, and 2 raised to 4 is equal to 1 upon 16. Okay, now remember this and we can easily solve the example of conversion the binary number into decimal. Is that clear? Now consider this another example. In this example, the given binary number is 11001. In previous example, the binary number is about 4 digit, but this is a 5 digit number. Okay. What will be the MSB? MSB is about 2 raised to 4. Okay. Now write their equivalent binary weightage and multiply their respective binary digit. See here, this is the binary weightage 2 raised to 0 multiplied by 1. Then next 2 raised to 1 multiplied by 0. Again 2 raised to 2 multiplied by 0. Then 2 raised to 2 multiplied by 0. Again 1 multiplied by 2 raised to 3. At last this is the MSB, this 1 multiplied by 2 raised to 4. By multiplying their respective binary weightage to the binary digit will get 1 multiplied by 2 raised to 0 is equal to 1 will get 1. 0 multiplied by 2 raised to 1 is equal to 0. 0 multiplied by 2 raised to 2 is equal to 0. Then 1 multiplied by 2 raised to 3, that is 1 multiplied by 8 is equal to 8. 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 4, as 2 raised to power 4 is equal to 16. So answer will be 16. At last we have to add all these digits. Here 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8 plus 16. Then we'll get the final answer 25. That is base 10. Okay. So this is the equivalent decimal of given binary 11001. Is that clear? Now this example, find the equivalent decimal number for binary 1010. Okay. If the example is given like this, then you have to write each binary digit separately. Okay, like this. This is a given binary number 1010. As we know that this is a binary number system, so base of this binary number system is 2. Okay, so write their place values like 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3. Okay, as this is a 4-digit number, so MSB having value 2 raised to 3. Okay, now multiply this binary digit to their respected place values like this. 1 multiplied by 2 raised to 3, 0 multiplied by 2 raised to 2, plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to 1, plus 0 multiplied by 2 raised to 0. By multiplying these place values to their binary digit, we'll get the answer like this. 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. 8 multiplied by 1 will be 8, plus 0 multiplied by 2 raised to 2 is equal to 0, plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to 1 is equal to 2, plus 0 multiplied by 2 raised to 0 is equal to 0. By adding this digit, we will get 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0. So final answer will be 10 decimal. So this is the equivalent decimal number of given binary 1010. Okay. Students, if you have to convert fractional binary number into its equivalent decimal, then suppose the given example is like 0.1011 binary into decimal, then let's solve the example as follows. Write the given number by making each digit separate. Okay, like 1011. Write their equivalent binary fractional weightage below each digit. Starting from left side, that is MSB is 2 raised to minus 1, then 2 raised to minus 2, then 2 raised to minus 3, 2 raised to minus 4. Remember this, 2 raised to minus 1 is equal to 0.5, 2 raised to minus 2 is equal to 0.25, 2 raised to minus 3 is equal to 0.125, and 2 raised to minus 4 is equal to 0.0625. Then after writing their equivalent fractional weightage, you have to multiply the given binary number to their equivalent fractional weightage. For example, multiply the first MSB 1 into 0.5 plus 0 into 0.25 plus 1 into 0.125 plus 1 into 0.0625. This product will get first term 0.5 plus second term 0 plus third term 0.125 plus 0.0625. Okay, you have to remember that at last add all these digits, then you get the answer 0.1011 binary equal to 0.6875 decimal. Okay, now consider this another example. Convert 1001.101 binary into decimal. Okay, this example consists of integer 1001 and fractional number 101. Okay, now let us see how to solve this example. Write all the digits separately 1, 0, 1, 1, 0.101 in this way. Then write their equivalent binary weightage below each digit. For integer, it starts from right 2 raised to 0, then 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3. For fractional number, 2 raised to minus 1 from left, 2 raised to minus 2, 2 raised to minus 3 for their respected binary digits. Now, by multiplying this binary weightage to their respective digit. See here, 1 multiplied by 2 raised to 3 plus 0 multiplied by 2 raised to 2 plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to 1 plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to 0. Here, for fractional, 1 multiplied by 2 raised to minus 1, 0 multiplied by 2 raised to minus 2, plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to minus 3. Remember student, this 2 raised to minus 0 starts from right and will go up to MSB, that is 2 raised to 3 for integer number, and in the same way for fractional number it starts from left side, that is 2 raised to minus 1. Okay, now as we know that 2 raised to 0 is equal to 1, 2 raised to 1 is equal to 2, 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4, 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. So by multiplying these number to their respected binary numbers, okay, then 2 raised to minus 1 is equal to 0.5, 2 raised to minus 2 is equal to 0.25, 2 raised to minus 3 is equal to 0.125. By multiplying this number, we'll get the equivalent result 8 plus 2 plus 1 point 0.5 plus 0 plus 0.125. By adding all these terms, we'll get 11.625, and this is nothing but the equivalent decimal of given binary number. So we'll write the answer 1001 binary 0.101 fractional binary is equal to, combine we'll read it, 1001.101 binary equal to 1 that is 11.625 decimal. Is that clear? Okay.